Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. So as you can see here on the chart, the DOT price is coming down currently. I currently see this as a corrective structure. We've been talking about that over the last few weeks, really, that we are dealing here with this corrective sideways structure in which price should come down a little bit lower. So obviously within this structure we were tracking a C wave in a so-called wave 2 correction. We said, okay, look, we had a 5-wave move up into the July highs. Then we saw a little bit of a decline in an A wave, which was quite aggressive, not too aggressive, not really impulsive, it was rather corrective. So we said, okay, maybe the wave 2 was finished here already, but we marked it with a question mark. It then became quite apparent that this B wave could unfold as a triangle with a projected breakdown in a C wave. And that is, I think, what we are seeing right now, that this C wave is unfolding and it is a 5-wave move and it seems to be unfolding as an ending diagonal. So that means we are not coming down in a very steep way, rather shallow. But what is very important, and I already highlighted that in the last video, that the C wave ends below the A wave. That's typically my preference. Important to see as well that the wave count seems to be playing out. Highlighted in the last video that one more low would be expected because the wave 5 wasn't done yet. And it seems like the wave 5 is nearly done. So that doesn't mean it has to turn around now and the third wave rally has to start. But I can just explain again and highlight again that as long as we're holding the 450 level, $4.50, the 78.6 retracement, a third wave rally can start. We have micro support at 491, at 474 and at 450. And it's for me all about now watching for an impulsive reversal. We have a pretty full ABC structure now. It doesn't need to come down any lower. The relevant support areas where we can look for reactions are very well defined. And it would need to take a break above 550 for me to say that the low is in. If it's an impulsive break above, even better and even clearer. So from that point of view, the analysis is currently just being followed. The price is respecting the Fibonacci levels. It's respecting the overall wave count, and it's just following the script, following the plan. The good news is that the move down looks corrective, so it's not coming down in an impulsive fashion. That is typically what we want to see in such an ABC correction, because it just adds to the idea that, we are in a wave 2 correction and not in some kind of an impulsive breakdown that will lead to new bear market lows. However, it's always advisable to be cautious with altcoins anyway. Patterns are generally across the altcoin sector more fragile, especially in corrective structures. And the move up of the 10th of June low was just a diagonal. So at best a diagonal or a correction, but certainly not an impulse. So that means it needs to prove itself. How can it prove itself? It will prove itself by forming a 5-wave move up anyway. Well, it did that. A 3-wave move down into support. We are there now. And if it then breaks above the wave 1 high, which actually is above the 550 level that I highlighted, but that's the B wave high, so that's good enough. But a break above the wave 1 high would be even better at 562. That's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.